Hello guys, I'm going to play with my Play-Doh toy. There's waffle, there is milkshake, there is sandwich, this is meat, this is peas, this is fries, this is ice cream, this is burger, this is donut, this is hot dogs.
Yeah.
Hello guys, I'm going to do waffle. I'm rolling. Let me make my waffle into waffle. Now let's push it hard. Now let's take it off and see how it looks like. How is it? Guys, I'm making a French fry. This is my French fries. Let me make some new burger. My burger's ready. Let me make hot dog. Dog's ready. Let me put it in. My hot dog is ready. Now let me put some bits. Let me dip up in my hot dog. Guys, let me make a donut. Guys, my donut is ready. Let me make chocolate donut.
Chocolate donut? Oh, that's good. So you got two donuts. One is?
Vanilla,
Yeah.
chocolate.
That's good. And what you're making now?
Chips,
Okay.
pizza,
What shape you're making now?
triangle.
Triangle? Okay.
Oopsies. Triangle is ready.
Okay. You want to make other shape?
Yeah.
What shape you want to make?
Square.
That's good.